mag-ano.
Alright, first five. Paalala lang ha, be cool and play clean. When the whistles, you can hear the whistle, no more second motion. Stop and give the ball to the referee. Alright? Alright. Time. Alright. Kaisip. No good. Rebound by 56. 56 to number 77. 77 to 59. Chris to number 41. Yes. Easy basket. Number 41. Picturean na yan. Number 0, Kaisip. Kaisip looking for opening. Jump shot. Yes. Ganda. Ganda ng sapatos. Number 59 to number Herland to 59, Simbo. 16 seconds to shoot. All right. 77. Oy, last touch. Simbo. Number 79 to number 77 to 59. 59 to 3 points. Number 77, no good. Rebound. Rebound by number 59. Yes. All right, number 40, Mike. To number 0, Kaisip. To number 40. Jump shot. Yes. Yes. Sabi ko na yes eh. Inunahan ko na eh. Kasi close friend ko yan eh. Number 77 to 59. 59, 79 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 22. 22 to number 40. Kaisip. Ay, na-intercept. 41 ngayon. Domiretso. Oy. Last touch, number 22. Red ball.
Number 80.
77 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 41. Tumasok. Oy! 9 seconds to shoot. Ay, 14. Tumama. Yeah. Tumama. 79. 77 ulit. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Ay. 79. Yes. Number 99 ngayon. Tumira ng 3. Walang tinamaan. 77 ngayon, nagmamadali. Pinasa sa 56 to 77, binalik. Ay, na-intercept. Number 40 now. Number 40 goes in, layups, no good. Rebound by 86. 86, tumira, pumasok. 79 ngayon, nagbaba ng bola. Ay, there's a foul. Number 40, first team foul, yellow. First personal foul, number 40. 77 to 79 to 41. 41, trace again, 77, wala. There's substitution. Substitution pa. Pasok. Pasok na. Pasok ang una. Another shot. Wala. Rebound by number 42, 12. Domeritza. Ay! Last touch. 23. 77 to 59. 59 to 79 for 3. Boom! Pasok. Number 34, 33. Rod Navarro. 86 for 3. Boom! Pasok din. Mainit ang sagutan. Mainit ang sagutan ng tira. 77 ngayon nagdadala ng bola. To 56. 56. Lumabas 79 to 77. Oy! Pinasa sa kalaban. Oy! There's a foul. There's a foul on number 59. First personal foul, 59. Chris Idol. Idol ko yan si Chris eh. Number 0 for 3, no good. Last touch. Last touch ang hoops. 59 ngayon, nagbababa, 77. 77. Nahuli. Rod 33, layups. Yun, pumasok. Easy basket by number 33. Jantal, upo muna dyan, upo muna. Dead ball tayo mag-sub. 59. Pumihit. Oy! Sembo. Substitution, ref. Substitution goes in. You have 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Oy, ganda ng pasa. Oy, wala. Rebound by number 80. Number 80 to 33. Oy, bumps. There is a bumps. 30 yung may tira, wala. Rebound by 79. 79. Oy, there is a foul. Number 42. 42. 42 to 59. 59 goes in. Oy, nabitawan ang bola. Symbol. Substitution, rep. Substitution. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Alright, 53 now. 4-3. Short. 33 ngayon, nagbababa ng bola. Oy! Symbol. Nakick ang bola, nakick. Tumama sa paa. 20 seconds to shoot. 22. 33 for 3. No good. Rebound by 41. 41 intercepted by 86. Tomira, yes. Easy basket by number 86. Number 83 now, nagbababa ng bola. 59 goes in, layup, pinasa ni Renner, wala, short. Rebound by 41. Oy, intercepted. To 86 now, 86 to 42. Oy, sayang. Substitution, rep, substitution. Labas ang sa loob, pumasok ang labas.
Time out, Ren.
Sino bang kalaban nila? Sila Jasper. Magaling naman yung team nila. Okay yung team nila eh. Kompleto sila eh. 86 to number 42. Number 42 goes in. Layups. Oy, there's a foul. There's a foul. Number 83. Number 83 on red. 2 shots. Mamaya na. Nabigay na yung bola. Mamaya na yung sub. Mamana yung sub. Tapos na yung unang shot. Rebound by number 24. 83, sorry. 83. 83 ngayon. Huling-huli. 83, leads up. Pasok. Number 80 ngayon. Oy! Substitution, ref! Substitution. Substitution. Substitution, substitution. All right. Play on. Number 50 now on the board. Pass to 83. 83 back to 80 to 56. Goes in. Pumasok ang layup. Number 84, 54. 52, is it? 52, 52. Pass to 99, tumira, wala, malayo. 83. Rebound by number 82, 80 back to 83. 83 goes in, pasa, pinira, oy, nakuha. Number 50 now has the ball, pinasa, intercepted. Intercepted. Oy, huling-huli. Kitang-kita sa CCTV. Oy, there's a foul. Foul number 42. Chuset. 2 shots. Yellow warning on penalty. Wala. All right. Magbanwa po another shot. Wala pa rin. Oh, one more shot. But no more time. One more shot. Labas na kayo, labas na. Labas na para magpahinga. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. Alright. Number 83. 83 to number 50. To number 98. 98 to 41. 41 back to number 50. Erwin Nugget. Oy! Nakuha ang rebound sa number 80. Number 80 nagmamadali. Goes in. Pinasa sa 99. Hindi tumama. You have 17 seconds to shoot. Tumira ng 3, 86 shot. Rebound by 80, yes. Number 50 now. Number 50. To number 56. 56 tumira, wala. Rebound by Yellow. Number 0, nagmamadali. Wala. Pasok. Number 99. Number 99. Number 83 ngayon. Number 83 to number 50. Number 98. Tomira. Wala. 41. Oy, there's a foul. There's a foul. GB, you got 6 fouls already. Second shot. Wala. Yun, pumasok. Number 0, bring down the ball. Number 0 to number 86, 86 to 99 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 87, 56, 56. Drives in. Pasok. Pasok. Number 56. Number 0 to number 86. 86 to number 0 for 3. Yon! Ganda. Wasak na wasak. Wasak na wasak ang net. Number 50. Number 50. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by 22. 22 to 99. 99 goes in. Pinasa sa 86. Oy, ganda ng pasa. Number 80. Number 50. Bring down the ball to 41. Oy, na-intercept na naman. Number 99 goes in. Yep. Time out. Yellow. Red. Time out. Red. Last touch, red. Number 99 for 3, no good. Rebound by 59 to number 83. Number 50 now goes in. Pinasa. Pinasa ulit ng 41, no good. Rebound by number 33. 33 goes, hey, there's a foul. Number 83. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Pasok, pasok. Unang tira. Yes. Number 33. Second shot. Wala. Rebound by 99. Oy, tapal ball kasel. 99. Yes. Ganda. Number 53, Tomera. Yes. Renner, 53. 22 back to number 42. Number 42 to 22. Tomera, short jump shot. Wala. Rebound by 28, Sagmon. Pinasa ng malayo. Nakuha. Number 50, pinasa ni Renner. Wala, sumobra ang tira. Rebound by number 43. 33. Oy, na-intercept. Kanang bola, rep. 16 seconds to shoot. Number 99. Pinasa sa 95. Tumira ng malayo. Wala. Ay, rebound by yellow. Tumira ulit ng 3. Wala. Rebound ng yellow ulit. Pasok. Ganda ng rebound ng yellow. Number 28, Sagmon. Bring down the ball to number 53 for 3. Asus, shot. There is a technical. Clapping. Clapping is not allowed. Number 99. Get out po tayo. Mayroong technical. Oh, personal foul yun. Personal foul yun. Bawal po ang ginagawa. Pasok ang una. Ay, one shot only, one shot. Red ball, yeah, that's good. That's correct. One shot and ball position. Number 50 now. To number 28 for 3, no good. Rebound by 33. 33 nagmamadali. Pinasa. Symbol pa tayo. You have 19 seconds to shoot. Substitution first, substitution. Pasok, pasok. Pasok, pasok. Substitution. Substitution. All right. Back to the ballgame. 95. Pass to 99. 99 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 59 to number 28. 28. Goes in. Tomiran. Yes. Number 44 now. 43. Number 33 now. To number 22. Pass to 33. Yes, ang ganda. Time out! No. Walang time out. Walang time out. Play on, play on. Play on. No time out. No time out. $79 for 3. Wala. Rebound by 59. Tomira. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Yellow. Yellow to third. Oy! Ganda. Oy, there is a foul. Timeout, Yellow. Timeout, Yellow. Yellow ball tayo. Now in the third quarter. All right. Number 0. Number 0 to number 99 to 80. 80 to 86 for 3. No good. Rebound by 56 to number 7. Oy! Lumusot. Lumusot ang bola. Kasi may rason lumusot. Number 0. Oy! Naiwanan. Buntik na. 86 ulit. Tumira ng short 2. No good. 86 ngayon. 77. Yes. Easy basket. Number 80 now. Tumira. Pasok. Ganda ng best friend ko yan. Kaya hindi ako sinisingil eh. Best friend ko yan. Number 83. Oy! There's... Okay. Technical. Oy! Out of the game, 99. Out of the game. Bal, get out na, Bal, get out na, get out. So technical foul. That's it. Substitution, ref, substitution. Substitution. Oh, lumapit. All right, free throw and ball position. Position kayo doon, ball position kayo. Pasok. All right, ball position. Ball position. All right, 83 ngayon. 83 to 20. Oy, na-intercept. Number 18, nagmamadali. 3 on 1, 3 on 1, 4 on 1. Layup. Yes. Oy, sayang. Number 80 ulit. Pasok. Number 77. Walang bumabalik sa red. Isa lang. Number 77. To 28. 28 to 56. 10 seconds to shoot. Tomira, no good. Rebound by... Oh, there's a foul. Number 80. Number 80. Number 80. 2 shots. Unang tira, wala. Ready for rebound. Alright, second shot. Wala pa rin. Oy! Yellow ball. Walang nahulog. Number 80 now. Number 80 to 0. To number 80 again. To 0. Pinasa, tumira ng 40. Wala. 56 for rebound. $59 to 28. Easily up. Number 0. Number 0. Oy! Play on, play on. Number 40 na intercept ang bola. Uy. Ganda ng depensa. Rebound by number 28. Ang ganda ng depensa ng red. $83 pumasok. Symbol. Oh, you got 9 seconds to shoot. Red, you got 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 77. Oh, there's a foul. Number 40. Automatic yan, 14 seconds. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Number 59 to Sagmon. In and out. Rebound by number 40. To Kaisi. Oy, na-intercept. Ganda ng pasa. Ganda. Gandang lalaki si Marvin kaya maganda pasa Number 80. To number 0. To 40. Tomera! Ay, pumasok. Ganda. Ganda rin. 77 ngayon. To number 28. Oy, nabitawan ang bola. 1 on 1. 1 on 3. 3 on 1. 3 on 1. Pinasa sa 0. Pasok. Mamaya. Oy, nahuli na naman. O yun. Substitution run. Substitution. 14 seconds to shoot, yellow. To number 40. Oy, intercepted. Wala. Tumira uli. Ayun. Ang tasabi ka. Number 40 to number 80. 86 for 3. Wala. In and out. Rebound by number 50. Tumira. Oy, there's a Body shot. Substitution, ref. Wait muna, wag muna, tol. Just wait first. Yeah, substitution. Substitution. Goes in, tol. Sagmon. Substitution 28 by 2079. All right, 2 shots. Warning for penalty, yellow. Unang tira, yes. Yung pangalawa. Buwala, rebound by 22. 22 to number 0. To 22. 22 to 95. 95 to 86. Shoot, jump shot. Pasok. Scored 46-31. 83 goes in. Oh, there's a foul. Timeout, yellow. Penalty. But timeout. Timeout first, yellow. Second shot, yes. All right, number 0. Number 0 to number 80. Number 80 to 95 for 3. Ay, wala. Rebound by number 56. 56. Ay, nahuli ang bola. Intercepted. Number 80. Number 80, Tomera Nagad. Rebound by 50. Number 50, pinasa sa 41. Inikot. Ay, wala. Sayang. Number 80 to 86. 80 to 86. 95 pinasa sa 86 Tomera. Yes. 2 points only. Number 50 goes in. Yellow ball. Red ball. You have 13 seconds to shoot. 83 now. 83 goes in to 56. 5, 4. Tomera. Playoff. Ay, wala nang oras. Wala nang oras sa third quarter. Alright, back to the ball game. Tomera, no good. Alright, there's a foul. Number 42. All right, back to the ball game. Intercepted. Easy basket. Oh, there is a foul. yun, Pibarot. May na-turn out na rin last time, nakadalawang technical eh. Oh, Pibarot. Oh, Pibarot. 98. "41, there's a foul. Basket. 42. Bonus shot. Rebound. Pasok. Number 42. Si Isaac hindi makalaro. Dami daw ang assignment. Daming assignment. There's a foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Oh, there's a foul. There's a foul. Number 33. 2 shots. Who's foul, right? 45. Wala. Wala. Rebound by Red. Up. Kayo-kayo lang. Tumira, wala. Pasok. Number 40 to number 33. Oh, there is a foul. There is a foul. Warning for penalty, Red. Blocking foul. Number 40. Renner for 2. Timeout, yellow. All right, back to the ball game. "41 ngayon. Pasok. Humahabol ang humahabol. 51-42. Play on. Wala. Oy, there's a foul basket. Foul basket. Oy, there's a foul. 2 shots. Warning for penalty, warning for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot. Oy, there's a foul. Penalty. Wala ang una. Pasok ang pangalawa. 28. Oy, there's substitution, rep, substitution. Pasok ang gustong pumasok. To 24 to 40. To 86. Tumira. No good. Red ball. 1 minute and 34 seconds. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by 86. Oy, there's a foul. Penalty. Substitution, rep, substitution. Bal. 86. Oy, basket. Number 27 goes in to 53 layups. Pasok. Easy basket for number 53. Number 40, pass to number 86 to 40, intercepted. Layups, easy basket. Number 41. To number 40, easily up, reversely up. Wala. Rebound by 42. Pasok. Kunti na lang. There's a foul. 2 shots. Number 0. Wala ang una. Malas kayo. Uy. Oh, no more shot clock, yeah? No more shot clock. Number 95. Wala. There's a foul. Technical. Oh, there's a technical. Technical on red. 2 shots. 1 shot. 1 shot. And ball position. May ball position na, ano? Yun ba yung mag-petro? Wala. For 3. No good. 1 more. Yun! Pumasok. Reka, Bal. Basahin mo dito. Kailangan kasi may opening, binigyan na lahat yan. Nasa website natin, hindi ka nagbabasa.